Summary: the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan aims to break free from the genericism of the small crossover market with its understated yet elegant sheet metal, nimble handling, and European soul. It's difficult to stand out in a crowd. In VW's American lineup, it sits directly below the Atlas and has an emphasis on overall balance rather than flashy styling cues or exceptional 0 to 60 acceleration. The only power plant is a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. What it lacks in power it makes up for with frugal fuel use and smooth operation. The cabin adheres to the design brief, providing respectable room for passengers and luggage with understated yet functional appearance and supportive yet comfy seating. Although it's an option, the third row of seats is cramped and best suited for young children or in frequent use. The only other vehicle in the segment with a third row is the Mitsubishi Outlander, which has even less legroom. The Tiguan is on our 2024 Editor's Choice list because of its sharp handling, all-around well-rounded personality, and engaging driving experience, even if its feature content is competitive in its class. It is urged that buyers who are drawn to the Tiguan but would prefer more modern styling and the option of an electric drivetrain hold off until the soon-to-be-unveiled 2025 VW Tiguan. What is 2024 bringing? VW's intelligence. The lowest S grade now comes with the driver assistance system, which has adaptive cruise control with lane centering capability. For 2024, automatic high-beam headlamps, rain-sensing wipers, a faux leather steering wheel, improved infotainment, and wireless charging will also be available on the base S variant. There are modest visual changes made to the SEL line and SEL line black trims. Cost and selection of items for purchase. Depending on the specification and extras, the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan might cost anywhere from $30,305 to $40,305. Similar to previous year, we advise going with the mid-range SE version, which comes equipped with dual-zone climate control, 18-inch wheels, a power rear liftgate, and remote start. Take note that the base S trim receives the IQ starting in 2024. Prior to the SE and up, only the drive semi-autonomous lane keeping assist mode was available. That being said, the S lacks the panoramic sunroof option 1200 on the SE and continues to use a smaller 6.5-inch infotainment screen. Performance, engine, and transmission. Under the hood of the 2024 Tiguan is Volkswagen's nearly ubiquitous 2.0-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, rated for 184 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. The front wheels receive the output after passing through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive technology is an optional feature. With either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the Tiguan performs admirably, if not spectacularly. This is partly due to its low torque peak of 1900 RPM and its smooth shifting transmission.